Hello, my friends. Hi. I don't know why I'm talking like that. That's weird. Hello, my friends. How are you? Hope you're doing well and having an amazing day. I'm really excited for today's video because this is the first of what I hope will be many more of these prompt jar challenges. Woo, woo, woo. So how this works is I will be pulling a prompt out of the jar and I will create a makeup look inspired by whatever the prompt says. So it could be editorial, it could be wearable, it could be anything. And it's currently 10:45 at night. And I've been sitting here listening to music and kind of chilling, and I'm like, I feel like doing makeup, so I'm gonna do makeup. What's gonna make this a little bit more interesting is the fact that I'm already wearing makeup today. I have a lot of blush on, and I have some cream shadow and mascara. I had a lip color on, but it's faded. But we're going to just adapt this into whatever comes out of the prompt jar. If this is your first time here, hi, welcome. I'm Emily's, but everybody calls me Em, and you're watching Makeup Bree. So if this is your first time here and you like what you see and you want to come back and hang out again in the future because you like being inspired to use what you have in your collection and pushing your limits and being creative, then come back and hang out. I would love to see you. Love to hang out. I'm gonna keep dancing like this because it's fun. My TV is on pause because I have music playing, and obviously for copyright purposes I can't play it, but I'm gonna resume it when I do makeup because I just feel like chilling and doing makeup. I have something fun to announce. I've already announced it technically speaking, but if you want to participate in the prompt jar challenge, I have a free membership on Patreon where I will post the prompt and the picture of the makeup look and possibly the video, of course, because it makes sense to do that. If you want to post your inspired picture there, that would be so cool and so rad, and I would love to see your creations based on the prompt. So let's get into it. Let's not spill them on the floor. Let's get into it. What are we gonna draw from the prompt jar? Ooh, I got one real deep at the bottom there. Is it gonna come out? Actually, I've got two. Hold on. Okay, here it is. Can you read it? Is it upside down? It is upside down. Here's the prompt. Brows away. I'm having a pretty good brow day, which means that this is going to be a sad challenge for me. What inspired this was the look of non-brows, so maybe covering it up. Do I have a glue stick? Do I want to actually cover it up like that, or do I want to make them look really light? Let's get into it. Are you excited? Because I'm thinking.
Broken heart in the night, tears fall silent, no light. Whispered dreams gone so fast, love we thought would last. Empty spaces you left here, memories hold so near. Shadows haunt every step, cold bed, no sleep, no rest. Lost love, where did it go? Broken pieces, hearts low. Echo silence, screams inside. Lost love, no place to hide. Lonely roads walk alone, songs of hurt they drone. Promises fade like mist, lips that I once kissed. Stars above don't hear me, lost without you clearly. Aching heart can't be free, yearning hopelessly. Lost love, where did it go? Broken pieces, hearts low. Echo silent, screams inside. Lost love, no place to hide. Lost love, nobody go. Broken pieces, hearts low. Echo silent, screams inside. Lost love, no place to hide. Lost love, no place to hide. Oh. Lost love, no place to hide. Lost love, no place to hide. Lonely roads, no place to hide. Broken pieces, hearts low. Echo silent, screams inside. Lost love, no place to hide. No place to hide. of hurt they drown. Promises fade like mist. Lips that I once kissed. Stars above don't hear me. Lost without you clearly. Aching heart can't be free. Yearning hopelessly. Morning comes without you. Pain so new, so true. Endless days stretch so long. Where do we go wrong? Wake up to the sound of the morning rain. Feel it brush my skin, chase away the pain. Put on my own coat, step into the storm. Sky so gray and bold, but my heart feels warm. Dance, dance in the rain, wash away the fear. Spin, spin, feel the game, love is drawing near. Feet splash on wet ground, lost in a sweet trance. Smile without a care, life's a little dance. Thunder might roll loud, but I'm never phased. Underneath the clouds, find a hopeful gaze. Dance, dance in the rain, wash away the fear. Spin, spin, feel the game, love is drawing near. Thunder might roll out, but I'm never faced. Underneath the clouds, find a hopeful gaze. Dance, dance in the rain, wash away the fear. Spin, spin, feel the game, love is drawing near. Love is drawing near.
Okay, so here we are with the finished look. The unbrows, brows away, so they're away. I decided not to like fully cover them with the glue stick method because I couldn't find a glue stick and I didn't really want to go dig for one. And besides, foundation and concealer can go a long way, especially since I have pretty sparse brows anyway. I decided to also add in kind of this graphic eye look, which was really fun. I decided to play up the shape and bring the pink up a lot higher than I normally would, and just had so much fun. I actually really like how this turned out. Even if I did brows with this, I think it would be too harsh because I've got those thick black lines. If I keep darting my eyes over, it's because I keep looking at myself and I look so different than I normally do, which is why I love prompts like this. So brows away is this first prompt. And if you want to create a brows away look, it doesn't have to be this. It could be anything. You could go to Pinterest or Instagram and find your inspiration, or you can come up with your own look, whatever you want to do, but I want to see it. So come hang out on the free membership on Patreon and you can post your beautiful photo there. And I would love to see it and cheer you on because I'm sure it's going to look amazing. And even if you don't do makeup that well, that's totally fine. The whole point is just to have fun with your makeup. I wish it weren't almost midnight. I have nowhere to go except for bed and I can't even go live. I mean, I could technically. I'll probably end up with all the weirdos. Just to be honest, sometimes I get the weirdos anyway. If you've subscribed to me from a live chat, you should leave me a special emoji with like a live sign or 100% sign or something like that. I love this glue. I forgot I had this and I dug it out. It's from Ciate. It's their dewy sticks. This is not something I would like regularly wear because it's very creamy and it does not dry down. So if you want like whoo glowy sticky skin, this is for you. But for an editorial look, I thought it'd be fun to pull that out. And I'm having fun. I'm living in my element and I feel like, yeah, this is fun. If you've made it this far in the video, be sure to leave a black star or some sort of star emoji letting me know. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys on Patreon and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay electric as always. Bye! Why am I so giddy and giggly? I feel like I need to go to a rave. There's nothing open now. It's Sunday night.